you with it. Every time she moves on, she says, she gon' mess with your head, oh yeah. And she'll flirt with your
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow I am gonna go to the store to get stuff for the sleepover 𝖤𝗏𝖾kituyu, and I will first meet her at the coffee shop. She will come to the coffee shop with an Uber, and we will go back to my house to have our sleepover. So yeah, Emma, go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, now let's go do skincare. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's now put my outfit for the day on. I can't wait to see my bestie Evelyn today. I can't wait to put my baddie outfit on. Let's now put in on Yay. OMG, I am just so obsessed with this fit, lol. It's just so good for summer, it's so cute, and okay, let's go make breakfast. I can't wait to eat my yummy breakfast. I am excited to eat my breakfast today. I can't wait to make myself a acai bowl. I love acai bowls. Okay, let's begin making it, and guys, let me know how you like my filming. If you want to see more of this. This takes a lot of filming and editing, I will do. It's if y'all want to see more. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And let me stop yapping so y'all can enjoy me making my breakfast. Okay, my breakfast is done. Let's go sit down so I can eat. Is so yummy and also delicious and good fruit, and it tastes so sweet. It's my favorite breakfast to start off the day with. Okay, after I am done, we need to go to the grocery store to get some stuff for the sleepover Emma have with my Pookie. And I can't wait to play shawarma kiosk with her. That's our favorite game to play with each other. Okay, I am done, so let's clean the plate and the cutting board. Okay, let's clean before we go because I don't want it to be messy. Let's clean the bowl. Okay, now we done cleaning the bowl, let's clean the cutting board. Okay, let me see where the sponge is so I can clean the cutting board. Here is the sponge, now let's clean. Okay, now we done. Let's go to the grocery store. Let's get the car keys so I can drive to it. Where are the keys? Let me find it. Okay, found it. Let's go to the car to go to the grocery store. Let's now drive to the grocery store. Okay, we here. After we done, we go meet Evelyn at the coffee shop. Let me charge my car because it's low on battery. Okay, now it's charging. Now let's go inside. Okay, let's get a shopping cart. And I can't wait to meet Evelyn after I am done in the grocery store. Let's go inside. Okay, let's get our stuff. Let's get some fruits just in case she wants some. Wow, these fruits looks amazing. Let's get her some if she wants, she can take them home with her. Okay, let's get more stuff I am low on at home. Let's get some more toilet paper because I need that. Cause I am low on that. Let's get some yummy chips, so me and Evelyn can eat them when we are playing shawarma kiosk. Okay, let's get some more stuff. Ooh, let's get potatoes and rice to make yummy dinners with. Next, let's get cheese. I see the cheese I need. Okay, got that, and now some more cleaning supplies. I love these options, like I have so many good ones here in this store. Okay, now let's get yummy drinks for me and Evelyn. Let's get some soda and some juice. I see lots of good options. Let me see what Evelyn and me would like. I know we also should get sushi. That's so good, I love sushi. I think Evelyn does too. I see here some Fanta and cola. I will get cola for Evelyn and Lil get Fanta because that's my favorite soda. Okay, let's get some meat I need for tomorrow night so I can eat my favorite dish. I see the meat I need for my dinner tomorrow night. I am so excited to see Evelyn soon after I am done getting everything I need. Okay, here are some more cleaning supplies. Let's get it. Okay, let's go to self-checkout, and then go to the car to go to the coffee shop. Okay, let's scan everything. Okay, now we done. Let's go and meet up with Evelyn. I can't wait to see her. Okay, let's hurry up so I can be there. Okay, let's put my groceries in the trunk and let's get in the car so we can meet Evelyn finally. Okay, we arrived at the coffee shop. Let's park the car. Don't mind my driving skills, 'cause I am not the best at driving. Okay, we parked the car. I see Evelyn. Let's go up to her. Okay, guys, let's go say hi to my bestie, Evelyn. OMG, hi, Evelyn. I missed you.
Hi, Bella. I'm really glad you could make it.
Yes, I am also glad you could make it, Evelyn. I have not seen you in, forever. I am happy we are going to have a girls' sleepover.
Yes, same Bella. I have missed you so much. I am happy we can spend time together today.
Yes, and let's get some iced coffee so we can talk a bit and catch up what is happening in our lives right now.
Yes, good idea.
miss.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, miss, I would like to get an iced coffee.
That's a good choice. And ma'am, what would you like to get?
I would also like an iced coffee, please. It would be really nice.
Okay, no problem. Just go sit down. Your order will be called out when it's ready.
Okay, thank you, miss. And Evelyn, let's find a seat so we can wait for our order.
Order for Bella.
That is our order. Let me get it. Okay, got our order.
Thank you for getting it.
No problem, here is your coffee.
Okay, thank you again.
No problem, and I can't wait to play shawarma kiosk tonight with you.
Same, I am so excited. And I am also very thankful that I can have this sleepover with you.
Oh, of course I would have my sleepover with you, like I have been waiting all day and night for this.
Oh my god, same Bella. I couldn't wait to have this sleepover with you, like. And it's always nice to start off with a coffee before we go have the sleepover.
Oh yes, and want to go to my home to go and get ready for the sleepover.
Yes, of course, Bella.
Okay, let's go.
Bella, I am so excited to have the sleepover at your house.
Oh, I am happy to spend some time with you. Okay, let's go to my car.
Okay. Bella. I can't wait to get in our pajamas.
Yes, same, Evelyn. We finally here.
Yes, finally.
Okay, now we here. Let's go inside.
Okay. Bella.
Let's go upstairs.
Yes. Good idea, Bella. I can't wait to go get ready for the sleepover.
Yes, same. Okay, come we going to change into our pajamas.
Okay. Bella.
Okay, let's get changed in my closet. Okay, let's go brush our teeth and then go play shawarma kiosk.
Yes, I am so excited to play it.
Okay, you can use the other sink so it's easier for you to get ready.
Okay. Okay, now I am going to brush my teeth.
Okay, now I am also gonna brush my teeth. Okay, now we done. Let's go downstairs to play shawarma kiosk. Now we are going to play shawarma kiosk.
Okay, let's get the controllers.
Okay, let me find it. Okay, found it. Let's load the game in. We just loaded in, yay.
Yes, I am happy we loaded in.
Okay, now all we gotta do is press play.
Yay, we are playing it.
Okay, let's go in, Evelyn.
Okay.
What the dog doing?
To your night shift at 𝖤𝗏𝖾kituyu.
Now we in.
Yes, and let's get rich, LOL.
For real, LOL.
And yeah,
Okay, she seems safe.
Yeah, let's service her.
Okay, let's make the food.
What the dog doing?
Okay. She probably wants 2 shawarmas.
Yeah, let's make it. We actually have the best service, LOL.
Yeah, that is the best service, LOL.
Yes.
We played for some time now. Let's just talk for a bit and go to sleep.
Yeah, good idea. I am getting a bit tired.
It was a fun day with you. Bella, thank you for having a sleepover with me. These memories I won't forget.
Of course I will have a sleepover, like you're one of my really good friends and I want to be with you all day. Sadly, we can't always.
Yeah. Same, Bella, should we end the video here and talk more off camera? Because I want to spend more time with you off camera.
Sure, of course we can. I want to spend one-on-one time with you. Bye, angels. This is the end of the vid.
Yeah. Bye, angels. Please subscribe to Bella and me. If you don't, that's okay. But bye.